Hello and welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Kanye West has conceded defeat in the 2020 US presidential elections held on Tuesday. To the surprise of many, Kanye garnered a collective 57,000 votes from his ballots in 12 states. The entertainment and fashion mogul tweeted, "Welp, Kanye 2024," hinting to his still-alive political ambition. West, who voted on Tuesday, revealed that he voted for himself. In this tweet, he said, quote, "Voting for the first time in my life for the President of the United States and for someone I truly trust. Me," end quote. He later posted a video of himself casting his vote in Cody, Wyoming, and captioned it, "Keep believing, Kanye 2020. Thank you, Jesus Christ." He further stated that he is here to serve and is praying for every servant leader in the world. And on to the other side of the world, another entertainer is a political hopeful, but not without some trouble. In an unfortunate turn of events, popular Uganda reggae artist and opposition presidential hopeful Bobi Wine was arrested on Tuesday just after he was successfully certified as a candidate in the country's 2021 election. According to Uganda News, Wine was allegedly dragged from his car by police and placed in custody amid violent scuffles between police and supporters, where the police is said to have fired tear gas at Wine's People Power Movement supporters. The report added that authorities frequently accused Wine of planning rallies that could disrupt public order, which he denies. Wine, nicknamed the Ghetto President, has faced escalating police harassment since announcing his intention to challenge Museveni, who seized power at the head of the rebel army in 1986. Bobi Wine is no stranger to Jamaica, as he performed in 2019 and then again in 2020 at Rebel Salute, where his militant messages were well received by Jamaicans.
We are the country, we are the future, we are the changing body. We are the youngest population in the world. We stand a chance. We are the leaders of the future.
Now, locally dancehall artist Ladden will have to wait until next Monday for his bail hearing. The artist is currently in police custody at the Black River Police Station. Ladden was not present at yesterday's hearing. Ladden, whose real name is O'Keefe Aarons, was arrested on October 28. Police reports are that they ensued the DJ in a motor vehicle chase in which it was observed that an object was thrown from the vehicle. Once captured, the area in question was searched, and lawmen reportedly recovered a high-point 9mm pistol with a magazine containing one 9mm round of ammunition. Ladden has since been charged with illegal possession of a firearm, illegal possession of ammunition, breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act, and failing to stop on the request of the police. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.